Bad button.
I'm not.
Hello, Familien! Welcome back sa ating channel. And guess what? Nasaan si Mayora? It has been a while. I think the last time I have uploaded a vlog is last November pa ata. Ng December, hindi ako nag-upload. Like, I swear, nag-vlog ako but hindi siya na-edit. Yung bridal shower ni Shello, yung Paddy's Day. I have vlogs but unfortunately, sa sobrang busy na Mayora, hindi ko talaga vlog. So anyway, kumusta na kayo? At na-miss ko kayong kausap. Pasensya na, hindi pa ako nakaligo. I just came from the breakfast buffet downstairs. So by the way, I am here in Cebu, vacationing for my sister's wedding at sa iba pang mga activities. So today is the big day for my sister Shello. So May 14, ito, wedding day niya. So I think I have to be in a rush na kasi I have to take bath, and then I think the makeup artist is already waiting for me kasi maaga tayo ang call time kasi alam mo naman si Papa, military time, so we have to be there early. So I'll try to vlog as much as I can. And I promise I have to edit this. Okay, I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye! Mayora, live in Cebu! Woo! It's so nice to be home after 3 years, guys! I miss you all! So, nandito kami naka-check-in ngayon sa Waterfront Hotel Lahug. I'm not quite sure kung ilang star yung hotel na to, but definitely not 5-star hotel. So, this is our main entrance. Yeah, there you go. And dito sa left side natin is our bathroom. And ito yung wardrobe nila. So, bathroom, simple lang siya. Basic, you have the bathroom, the loo, your sink, toiletries na kasama dito, o belo, bake naman. And then, nandito yung ating pabathtub, may shower, and as usual, yung mga libre dito sa hotel, like yung shampoo nila, ganyan. May blower na yung libre dito. Ayan, so, coming out, so this is our wardrobe, closet-ish. So, ano siya? So, sliding door, double door, tapos may safe, 2 drawers, and then dito sa side naman, that is my suit, and yung mga pahanger dito. So, and dyan ko hinangay yung mga dresses natin. We have a mini fridge dito, mini bar, tapos tea, coffee facilities. Of course, favorite Mayora, Chippy. And then dito yung lagay ng luggages. So, excuse me for the mess. Ayan, tapos bali double room to. Tapos yung inano namin is dalawang single bed. So, twin bed. Ayan, tapos yeah. And then TV. Ito yung mga gamit ko, gamitin ko mamaya. Ayan siya. And then some of the stuff that I brought as a gift items for some of my relatives and friends. Nandito yung susuot mamaya ni Mike kasi dito lang siya magdi-dress up. So this is our parang personal table vanity area. Yan. Tapos, yeah. Black suit si Mike ngayon dahil. Sa look na to karon. Ha? Sa oh, di ba? Kalmahan lang yung mga kuan, mga kilay diha.
Apa mo kalmahan na lang?
Oh, perfect. Oh.
Ulitan sa balay ko kayo.
Di ba? Perfect. Mali siya atong makeup room. Char. Sige, first. Hi! For today's video, Char. Si Kuan, si Sab ang sa makasab.
Maid of honor.
Maid of honor. Yeah. Imong hairstyle karon sa man siya. Beach wave lang sa man siya. Siya. Siya ang Kuan hairstyle.
Hi everyone.
Char.
Welcome to my channel.
Oh, welcome.
Channel 1.
Channel 1, Channel 2. Tagalog channel.
Ito mo balik up.
Oh, ayan na. Okay, raga. Ha? Ay, wala mo ko vlog, mga 10 years na. Gusto eh. Nagwapa kayo eh. thought I could forgive.
Ulo na yung kalinis.
Pose. Family yan lang, Char.
Sing auntie?
Family yan. Hello.
Welcome to the
If you're watching this video, hit like and subscribe button. Butang lang sa last
Oh, sige, pang finale lang na siya nga. Pang outro lang ni Dapit na. Oh, simplihan lang sa tamang pang intro. Oh, may libreng shape sa kilay. Oh, diba? Itong paano si Mother. Ito video si Mother. Kumusta yung magkahintang sa mabuhok? Madapa. Try mong hair in there. Oh, nice. Oh, hello. Welcome to the bridal suite. This is the ambassador room of the Waterfront Hotel Lodge. Lara, matron of honor, Sarah, aka Sarah Duterte. Mother of the bride, Dibilin. Kumpiyansa ka. Si Ampatuan. Ang bodyguard ni Ampatuan.
The bodyguard.
The bodyguard. Dati nanay. Nax. And ang hinungdan sa among kanyag karong adlaw. I love your friends. The GMO collection. Are we all ready? All set? Start. isa. Kaon natin. Kaon mo. Hi vlog. Hi vlog.
Nakapika-pika naman.
Mana da ikaw, manakan. Ikaw na kag-Skyflex. Oh, laban.
I-check.
Check.
Okay, simple, babe. Ready?
Is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside of mine. You're
Sponsors, kami dali yung itay pa mo. Kami mungit pa dali kami. Mungit pa ka kami. Mungit pa ka. Palagsan. Ikaw ay mungit pa ka dali kami. Mungit pa ka. Mungit mo kami. These are the small things that will bring a lot. Kumamabit na mungit ko sa kong papagamit ng cash number mo mahal. At this time, we will also be led by a very special person in the life of our couple. Can we call on this side the loving brother